What if I told you that you can start speaking English in just 7 days without studying grammar, without memorizing long lists of words, and without feeling stressed?
Sounds impossible, right?
I'm Olivia.
And I'm Michael. Welcome to Qlip English.
Today, we're going to share a powerful and realistic approach inspired by the incredible spirit of Muniba Mazari. She lost her legs, but found her voice. In the same way, many of us understand English, but feel our voice is trapped. This video will show you how to free it, step by step, in only 7 days.
The secret is not more grammar. The secret is daily practice, courage, and speaking even when you feel not ready.
Day 1 to day 3, speak to yourself out loud. Describe your day, your feelings, and what you see. Say things like, I woke up early today. I feel tired but hopeful. The sky is beautiful. Do this for 5 minutes every morning. No correcting yourself.
Day 4 to day 5, use the mirror trick. Stand in front of a mirror and talk about your dreams or your day. Look at your face, smile, speak with confidence. This helps remove the fear of being seen while speaking English.
Day 6 to day 7, shadow native speakers. Listen to short motivational speeches or podcasts and repeat what you hear immediately. Copy their energy and rhythm. Muniba Mazari's speeches are perfect for this.
Remember Muniba's words, I lost my legs, but I found my wings. You don't need perfect English to start speaking. You only need to begin.
Let me share a real story. A 44-year-old woman named Fatima watched this type of motivational approach. She was shy and rarely spoke English at work. After practicing these 3 steps for 7 days, she finally spoke up in a meeting. Her boss later told her, "Your confidence has grown so much." She said the fear started to disappear when she stopped waiting to be perfect.
So here's your 7-day challenge. Every day for the next 7 days, speak English out loud for at least 5 minutes. Use one of the 3 steps above. No grammar books, no perfection, just speak.
Tell us in the comments, what is one small step you will take today to start speaking English? Write it in English. Even one sentence is a big victory.
If this video motivated you, please like it, subscribe to Qlip English, and share it with a friend who feels stuck in their English journey.
In the next video, we're going to reveal the 1% native listening secret. This lesson has helped thousands of learners understand and speak English much faster. You don't want to miss it.
Thank you for watching. Remember, your voice is already inside you. Start speaking today.
See you in the next one. Bye.